All right, this is super easy to use. You just go to screencastomatic.com and press launch free recorder. It's already open, but it will download down here and then it will tell you when to click and open it. And then basically it opens like this, and it has a little record button down here that you press, and you can put whatever you want into the screen. There's you can't see this, but around the edge of the screen is a red and white dotted line, and that shows you the recording area. So you just prepare anything up there that you want to record. It could be a slideshow, it could be demonstrations, it could be pages from a textbook that you want to talk about, and you're good to go. And you can highlight different things you want to show. Um, you can, yeah.